Welcome to the CareSync demo, a software built to streamline patient discharges. We begin by demonstrating the transfer of Care Hub Manager's user journey. First, the user logs in with a vetted email and passwords, most likely their hospital login details. This brings you to the dashboard, where you can see how many patients are being discharged on different pathways. The graph shown helps the user visualize the discharges per week, month, or year. On the left-hand side, we have shown the monthly savings from decreased delays of discharge. However, we are able to display any metric there. Below the metrics, we have the list of patients pending discharge, with columns such as local authority, D2A pathway, and length of stay shown. A next step column is shown in order to indicate to the user where the discharge is being specifically delayed. As a manager, the user is able to assign specific patients to other transfer of Care Hub users. This can be done by patient or by pathway using a filter. Once the patients are allocated to the specific transfer of Care Hub user, it will be shown in the Case Manager column. Clicking on the specific row for a patient brings you to their patient profile. Here you will be able to see the medical information specific to this patient. This includes medical information, mobility, equipment, documents, destination, and transportation method. The user is able to visualize all documents from this page and are able to see whether they are complete, incomplete, or not started by either a green, yellow, or black color by the document name. The sidebar is another way to access the documents. The user will also be able to book transport for any patient or visualize the situation report for their patients. Let's fill out the social history for this patient. Once it is complete and submitted, the documentation progress bar will visualize the percentage of documentation complete before they can successfully discharge a patient. Once all the documentation is complete and the progress bar shows 100%, it is time to book equipment. In this example, the patient does not need transport, and so we choose option No. The next step is to book transport for this patient. We have integrated the PTS online service within CareSync in order to speed up the discharge process. Once transport is booked, the transport progress will show 100% and the user will attempt to discharge this patient. If the user has not completed any piece of documentation, then the warning icon will show up with the appropriate recommendations. The user is now able to discharge this patient successfully.